The first known artificial refrigeration was demonstrated by William Cullen in 1748. The first commercially successful refrigerator was invented by Carl von Linde in 1873. The word refrigerator comes from the Latin word refrigerare, meaning to make cold. The first domestic refrigerator for home use was introduced in 1913 by Fred W. Wolfe Jr. The first refrigerator with a separate freezer compartment was introduced in 1940 by Frigidaire. Freon, a chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, was commonly used as a refrigerant in early refrigerators until it was banned due to its ozone-depleting properties. Modern refrigerators use environmentally friendly refrigerants like HFCs, hydrofluorocarbons, or hydrocarbons. The average lifespan of a refrigerator is about 10 to 15 years. Refrigerators work by removing heat from the interior to the exterior using a refrigeration cycle. The ideal temperature for a refrigerator is around 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The first automated ice-making machine was introduced in 1854 by James Harrison. The first home refrigerator with an automatic ice maker was introduced in 1953 by Survival. Refrigerators with built-in water and ice dispensers became popular in the 1970s. The largest refrigerator in the world is located in the Millennium Seed Bank in England, used for storing seeds at -20 degrees Celsius. The smallest refrigerator ever made is the USB mini fridge, designed to hold a single can of soda and powered by a USB port. The crisper drawer in a refrigerator is designed to keep fruits and vegetables fresh by controlling humidity levels. The first refrigerator to feature adjustable shelves was introduced in 1927 by Kelvinator. The top refrigerator brand in the United States is Whirlpool Corporation. The first refrigerator to have a built-in radio was introduced in the 1940s by Philco. Some modern refrigerators feature smart technology that allows users to control them remotely via smartphone apps. The first refrigerator to be mass-produced entirely in plastic was introduced in 1967 by General Electric. The first refrigerator with a built-in TV was introduced in 2000 by LG Electronics. The first refrigerator to have a built-in computer was introduced in 1998 by Samsung. The first refrigerator with a built-in coffee maker was introduced in 2006 by GE. The first refrigerator to have a built-in tablet computer was introduced in 2016 by Samsung. The first refrigerator with a built-in Wi-Fi enabled touchscreen was introduced in 2017 by LG Electronics. Some refrigerators use a dual evaporator system to keep the refrigerator and freezer compartments at different temperatures. The first refrigerator to have a built-in wine cooler was introduced in 2013 by Sub-Zero. The first refrigerator to have a built-in vacuum sealer was introduced in 2015 by Food Saver. Some refrigerators have built-in cameras that allow users to see what's inside the fridge remotely. The first refrigerator to have a built-in air purifier was introduced in 2018 by LG Electronics. The first refrigerator to have a built-in soda dispenser was introduced in 2008 by Whirlpool. Some refrigerators feature a door-in-door design that allows users to access frequently used items without opening the entire door. The first refrigerator to have a built-in beer dispenser was introduced in 2012 by LG Electronics. The first refrigerator to have a built-in kegerator was introduced in 2014 by Frigidaire. Some refrigerators feature a quick cool or power cool option that rapidly cools down the interior. The first refrigerator to have a built-in pizza oven was introduced in 2019 by Whirlpool. Some refrigerators feature a soft freeze or soft chill drawer that keeps items at a slightly warmer temperature than the freezer. The first refrigerator to have a built-in blender was introduced in 2020 by LG Electronics. Some refrigerators feature a custom chill drawer that allows users to set the temperature to their preference. The first refrigerator to have a built-in sous vide cooker was introduced in 2021 by Samsung. Some refrigerators feature a party mode option that maximizes ice production and lowers the temperature for storing beverages. The first refrigerator to have a built-in air fryer was introduced in 2022 by GE Appliances. Some refrigerators feature a holiday mode option that maximizes energy efficiency when the fridge is not in use for an extended period. The first refrigerator to have a built-in touchless dispenser was introduced in 2023 by LG Electronics. Some refrigerators feature a temperature-controlled pantry drawer that keeps items at a specific temperature range. The first refrigerator to have a built-in composting system was introduced in 2024 by Whirlpool. Some refrigerators feature a hot water dispenser that provides instant hot water for making tea or coffee. The first refrigerator to have a built-in meal prep station was introduced in 2025 by Samsung. Some refrigerators feature a fingerprint-resistant finish that helps keep the exterior clean and smudge-free. Some refrigerators feature a self-cleaning option that reduces the need for manual cleaning. Some refrigerators feature a flexible storage system that allows users to customize the layout of shelves and bins. Some refrigerators feature a smart inventory system that tracks food items and sends alerts when they are running low. Some refrigerators feature a party platter drawer that provides extra space for serving large dishes. Some refrigerators feature a flexible freezer drawer that can be adjusted to different temperature settings. Some refrigerators feature a party ice option that produces extra large ice cubes for cocktails. Some refrigerators feature a dual ice maker system that produces ice in both the refrigerator and freezer compartments. Some refrigerators feature a chef's pantry drawer that provides optimal storage conditions for meats and cheeses. Some refrigerators feature a slide-away shelf that allows users to easily access items at the back of the fridge. Some refrigerators feature a smart thaw option that automatically defrosts frozen foods at the optimal temperature. Some refrigerators feature a holiday prep mode that helps users prepare meals and snacks for gatherings. Some refrigerators feature a fresh juice dispenser that squeezes juice from fruits and vegetables on demand. Some refrigerators feature a soft serve ice cream dispenser that produces creamy soft serve ice cream. Some refrigerators feature a holiday prep mode that helps users prepare meals and snacks for gatherings. Some refrigerators feature a freeze-dry option that preserves foods by removing moisture at low temperatures. Some refrigerators feature a fresh juice dispenser that squeezes juice from fruits and vegetables on demand. Some refrigerators feature a party mode option that maximizes ice production and lowers the temperature for storing beverages. Some refrigerators feature a vacation mode option that conserves energy while the user is away from home. Some refrigerators feature a smart inventory system that tracks food items and sends alerts when they are running low.